Hey guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. So today we'll be learning how to download Google Chrome and install it on your MacBook. So I know there's a lot of Google Chrome fanboy out there, and fangirl, and fan lady and fan man. Okay, enough with my dad joke. Okay, so I really don't like Safari since the first day, I don't know why. So you're gonna go on to Safari. To betray Safari, okay, you want to go on to the tab and search for Chrome download. Okay, and then what you want to do is look for any of these links, Google Chrome download. And normally they will have like for OS version automatically detected on the website, I don't know why. So in the download Google Chrome. Okay, once it's downloaded, you want to double click on the file. Okay, and you guessed it right, it is as easy as it is. You just need to click on this, drag it into the folder and release. That's all. That is how easy it is to install the Google Chrome and install any other application on the MacBook. Most of the apps are that easy to download and install. So now you know. So this is how easy it is. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.